Yo, what is going on, everyone? Today we are at Cow Branch MX yet again. We got Ruslan on his YZ450F. Nikita got a new YZ250 two-stroke. We got Z wherever he is on his YZ250X, and I'm on my KTM. Nadia is on her YZ125. And yeah, let's see what goes on. This track's always been good, and it's close to me, so I like coming here. Can't go wrong with Cow Branch. No sight lap for me. I already know this track now. Woo! Greased it. Oh shoot. Shoo! Yo! Alright, this one I'm actually going to do a sight lap on. Okay. It's still the same size. I just had to make sure. Ow. Woo! So smooth when you land on the gas. God, I love that. Alright, elbows up. Not bad. Oh my god. Dang, bro, that guy's tearing. So interesting. I rode yesterday, and like I feel like I don't even have to warm up. It's like I'm still in it. Go, go, go. He wants to do something cool on camera. I know he does. Go for it, dude. Here we go. Oh! Fancy! You know what's interesting? I'm doing a really good job squeezing with my legs today. And you'll never believe the reason why. Not because I'm working on my technique or anything, but it's out of laziness. Like, I'm too tired and weak after riding yesterday to grip with my arms. So I'm riding like with my legs. I'm riding smarter because I'm lazy. Like, I'm barely holding on, but I still want to go fast. Like, that desire to go fast is still there. Woo! Elbows up. Oh, fuck. Almost had it. Man, I went for that jump early. Gotta stop landing short on that one. Just gotta give it a little bit more gas. Just a wee bit more. Don't squeeze those arms, ride lazy. Squeeze with those legs. It uses much less energy. Alright, here we go. I got the big boy jump now. Just go fast in the turn. No, I don't got it. I don't got it at all, dude. I was thinking about it, though. I just didn't have the traction. Go, bitch. Oh, God. Shit. I f***ed up there. I'm such a retard for that. I'm just glad I didn't crash into the sprinkler. That would have that would have sucked. Elbows up. There we go. Make this turn. All right, big jump time. Go fast in the corner. Nah, not happening. And it's windy. Yes, sir. Keep them elbows up. Oh, nice pipe, dude. He's got the FMF pipe. I totally messed up that run. God, I have never messed up those two jumps as bad as I did just now. Yes, sir. Dude, that same corner again. Woo! Oh, oh. Oh my God, he's about to tear. Ah! Oh shit! That was so sketchy. It was like a decent whip, but I landed way too short. Here we go. I gotta fix this like crooked takeoff from this line that I'm hitting. There he is. Triple time, yes sir. Ruslan on his YZ450. He's digging that thing. Oh, fuck me, dude. All right, no more whips on that jump. God, that was sketchy as hell, man. No more, I'm done. If I'm gonna do a whip, it better be at like NCMP where I'm comfortable with that one jump. That's the only exception. Oh God, I froze. Oh, my front brake lever's sinking. Dude, oh no, look at that. Ready to send this table? All right, Nadia, you got it. Send it half. Nice, dude. A few more feet and she'll triple it. Here we go. He's gonna throw a fat whip over here. Woo! Damn. I mean, damn, bro. Whipping like nobody's business. Oh, let's go! Hell yeah! Oh man! Keep those elbows up. Turns are much better, man. After those lessons, much better. Just go around, dude. I did not want that smoke. Ah! Little bit of overshoot, no big deal. Come on, G-Rail, that turn. Yeah, he's not in it today, man. He's not hitting any of the jumps today. I guess he's a little bit more worn out from Charles City than he expected. Let's get these turns right. Oh, idiot! Oh! Well, it could have been worse. Man, he really is riding like shit today. Nice! Let's go, dude. He cleared it. Gonna do the next one? Yes, sir. There we go. Oh! Damn, bro. I'm following you, dude. If you want to let me catch up, I promise I'll get the sickest shot of you. Oh, that was so sick. Oh, set the whole table too.
Want to do it another time? I got messed up.
It looked good to me, but yeah, we can do it again. God damn! Yeah! Woo! Oh! Oh shit! Oh! That was sketch. I gotta stop even attempting whips on that jump. It's stupid. Just work on your corners today. Don't be a hero. I'm really happy with my turns today. And Matt taught me how to coast over jumps. Watch this, ready? Coasting. Right over it. That's new. Like, I've done it before by accident, but like, it actually kind of helps in some cases. Woo! Woo! Here we go, let's get this turn good. This dude is 200 pounds shredding a 125. I can't believe it. Oh my God. What? That's how I know that guy knows how to ride. When you're that big and you can make a 125 go that fast, like, you know what the hell you're doing, bro. What the f? I misshifted. Sheesh, bro. Alright. I will take that as a sign that I gotta get off, like, now. I don't think I realize how tired I am. Oh, shit. I'm too tired, man. I'm coming up short on that jump. I'm messing up the corners. It's time to call it a day before I, like, seriously eat and die. But hey, that moto, I'm very happy with that moto. I think my turns were good. I cleared the big one a few times. It was fun. I did good. I had fun. Hung out with friends, rode my dirt bike. Beautiful weather. Holy crap, what a day. All right, everyone, I'm really tired from yesterday's enduro shenanigans. And my arms, like right here, this joint is just killing me, so I think I'm gonna call it a wrap for today. It's pretty early. It's only like 2 or 3, but hey, got some corners in. Got, everyone sent it today. I didn't throw any whips, but I think I did really good with the turns today. Much better. So thanks, Matt Burkeen, for, again, I've shouted him out like 3 times in this video, but even just one lesson, like, helped me so much. So I'm gonna keep trying to improve. Remember the technique he taught me, maybe even do some more lessons with him. And yeah, another fun day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Peace.